I'm excited to have people realize that no matter what you look like or whatever you identify as is not going to stop you from getting your dream career.
Scholarships make all the difference for students. They send a clear message that someone believes in them. Scholarships alleviate burdens, offer hope and opportunity, and lift students toward a brighter future.
The Colorado Community College system equips over 100,000 students every year for future success by focusing on equity in access and completion. Our goal isn't simply to enroll students, but to help them to be successful graduates who have the skills and education they need to build better lives. As Chancellor of the Colorado Community College System, I am honored to announce the creation of the Kaiser Permanente Colorado Equity Scholarship Fund. This $1 million gift will be used to create a 15-year endowed scholarship fund accessible to some of our most under-resourced students.
Equity, diversity, and inclusion are directly intertwined with Kaiser Permanente's nonprofit mission to improve the health of our members and the communities we serve. Through the Kaiser Permanente Colorado Equity Scholarship Fund and Kaiser Permanente's National Health Equity Scholarship Program, we're helping students from underrepresented communities pursue careers in healthcare. We aim to create a more equitable pipeline from higher education to healthcare practice.
As a student here, I was very nervous about going, especially at my age. And it was definitely not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. And it was just a hump you have to get over. And especially people of color, like, we don't think we can do certain things. And me going out there, seeing it's possible. The best part of my day when I come to school is my internship, because I get to be out there doing it in the field. I'm excited about the new possibilities of me becoming a phlebotomist.
40% of all credentials awarded by Colorado Community Colleges are in the health sciences. And those credentials are also in the fields that are most likely to pay a sustainable and living wage, as well as provide opportunities for professional advancement. Interest and enrollment in our health sciences programs have skyrocketed in recent years. Despite this interest, there continues to be a lack of representation in key areas of healthcare.
Fostering a diverse and inclusive healthcare workforce improves patient and provider communication, increases patient trust, expands access to care, and ultimately, it has the potential to reduce the health disparities that have ravaged our most marginalized communities.
I started to realize that a career with people and helping people is where I was strongest. I think what excites me the most being a future nurse is just being able to continue to learn. I just can't wait to grow. With my experience as a nursing student, I think it's very important to understand that you have options and that you do have opportunities to get scholarships.
The value of a community college education cannot be overstated, especially during a time of unprecedented demand for healthcare workers. Healthcare is driving our country and our state's employment growth.
We are proud to partner with Kaiser Permanente to advance healthcare education in Colorado. When we remove barriers to education, we transform lives. The Kaiser Permanente Colorado Equity Scholarship Fund will do just that: ensure student success, eliminate workforce gaps, and create a more equitable Colorado economy.
We know that our healthcare professionals should look like the communities we serve, and our students know that too. I want to thank Kaiser Permanente for helping to broaden the possibilities for the next generation of healthcare workers, and I want to thank them for their partnership in building a stronger, more equitable Colorado, one student at a time.